Hello my people, this is Nancy Ace. Would you like to trim your arms and at the same time chisel up your midsection? That's exactly what we're going to be doing today. For those that don't know me, my name is Nancy Ace. I am a personal trainer, fitness instructor, a Spartan, and health coach. I'm a mother of 2 young daughters, 11 and 17. And it is a joy for me to be showing you ways to maximize everything you have. We're talking about your time, your space, and even your equipment. So go ahead and grab the equipment that we will be using. You can use a ball. I'm going to use a medicine ball. But if you don't have one, you can use a dumbbell or even water bottles. Equipment should not be a problem. All right, so go ahead and grab those things. And as I always like to mention, bring the best energy to the table and let's do this. Let's begin with a quick warm-up, 3 to 10 minutes max. I would like for you to keep most of your energy for the main part of your class, which is the resistance training. Go for it. Let's take some time to transition from cardio to the middle part of your training. I love to stretch, not only because it helps me to move to the next phase of our training, but it helps me release tension. Sometimes I'm stiff, I have an angry hip, and definitely stretching helps me do that. Take your time. All right, first things first, my people, I'm gonna show you a little bit about the technique, the alignment, form. It's very important for us to get those things down first before moving on. So that way we keep ourselves safe and we are actually doing the right thing, right? Who wants to be going in a direction that we know is not the right direction? So we always wanna do things the right way so we can get max results. All right, so grab your dumbbell, water bottle, medicine ball. I'll show you how to do it with the medicine ball. I'll be using a medicine ball. You don't have to use a medicine ball, just a dumbbell or water bottle will do. Or if you prefer just to do it without any equipment, you can go with no equipment and just work on the movement. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, gonna spread those legs, gonna soften those knees. We're not gonna be stiff like that. So when I say soft, this is straight leg, right? You lock your legs, your knees, but we want to keep them soft, right? We want to be flexible like this, right? So we're going to soften those knees, and we're just going to start with a basic twist, just twisting like this. Yes, that's going to be a first movement, and I like to add more movements to what we're already doing. So pay attention to even these movements that don't seem to be as important, but they are, because we're going to add on to the movement. So it's important that we get this ones that seem not as complex, but they are good for you, and they will be added to other exercises that we'll be doing, movements. Okay, here we go. So get ready, grab your dumbbell, grab your water bottle, whatever you have available, shoulders back and down. Align your neck with your spine, soften those knees, and we're just gonna twist side to side, just like this. Okay, all right, get ready, get set, and go. We're going for 10, 2. Yes. Now we're going to add arm movement. We're going to add a raise. Yes. What we want to make sure is that we don't keep the arm straight like this. We keep it slightly bent like that. We're going to throw it up. Remember the twists that we were doing? We're going to continue doing that. So twist and arm raise. Yes. All right, we're going to do 10 on one side, and then we switch to the other side. All right, get ready. set, and go. Other side. Set and go. Awesome. On this one, we're going to use the medicine ball. Like I said, you don't have to. You can use the dumbbell that you've been using or whatever you have been using, or continue doing it with no equipment. All right, so we're going to do a movement that is going to go up. Let me show you how. Side, side, middle, middle, high, high. And then we go back down again. Yes, so we are targeting the arms and your core, your midsection. Okay, so go ahead and grab your piece of equipment. Soften those knees. Raise those shoulders, drop them back. Relax your neck. And we're going for 20. Okay? All right, 20 will be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes? Okay. You ready? Get set and go. Wants to go rowing with me? Okay, our next one is going to be a rowing movement. Again, soften those knees. Yes, I hope you know how to row. Okay, grab the dumbbell. You're gonna keep it nice and high, not here. Soften those elbows. Ready? Set and go. More. How are we doing? So proud of all of you. If you need to grab some water, go ahead and do that. Pause the video and help yourself. For those that don't want to grab water, still here. Just wanted to say thank you so much for being part of this class, this community. Thank you for the support, for liking, for sharing, for subscribing, ringing that bell. If you haven't, go ahead and ring the bell so that way you can get notified when new videos uploads have been downloaded for you or uploaded for you. So go ahead and take a deep breath and release. Okay, our next one is going to be with no equipment. We're going to be doing what we did a little faster, so that way we're going to target a different system. We're gonna get into more cardio than strength, so that way we burn fat. Who wants to burn fat? I'm the first one here. Okay, so what we're gonna do, remember your twist that we did at the beginning, nice and wide, just twist, twist, twist. Okay, so we're gonna start with that. We're gonna start twist, 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 and then we're gonna start adding arms, right? So it's gonna look like this. 1, 2, twist, twist. you don't want to go down, you can stay right here. Right? Okay. You're going for 10. Get ready. Good, set. And go. Hey, that was amazing, people. I had a blast doing this with you. Thank you so much again. Now let's stretch. Very important. Stick around a little more. Why is stretching so important? People ask. I didn't care about stretching. I was the first one to be out. I didn't care about cooling down or anything. I just wanted to see results, and I thought just doing certain things, skipping stretching was one of them, would just help me get to my destination. But no, I started getting very stiff. My therapist, my massage therapist, told me that my back was so stiff and I had lumps, so she had to get rid of them. It was just too much stress and no relaxation at the end. I would leave my body in a state of panic, tension. That wasn't good. So go ahead and push those hips back. It's important that we take time to stretch the muscles that have been worked out. And we're always using our hips, particularly women, men too. But we girls tend to put a lot of weight on our hips. Just the way we walk, right? A lot of movement. Okay, so push those hips back. Yes. All right, side to side. All right, let's rotate. Get your feet a little closer together, about hip width apart. Just kind of rotate and release tension there. Yeah, so thank you so much again. I'm excited about this. I'll be doing a lot of outdoor videos since it's this time of the year. It's beautifully set in the morning. So I'll be here. Hope you like it. Please let me know what you, arms. Please let me know what you thought about this video. If you have any suggestions about a certain part of your body, just take it forward, that you would like me to focus on, please let me know in the description section below. Please like your video, share your video, follow me on other social media platforms. I'll be leaving links to those platforms, and also I'll be leaving more links to different workouts for those that want to target the core only, or if you have different desires, I will be leaving links for you. Take a look at the other things that I have done, and I hope you like them. And thank you so much again. I love you all. Keep up the good work, and see you soon. Bye.